Hi friends, welcome back. We're at the Kids Zone with Trishy, that's me. And this is little Daisy. Daisy, say hi to your friends. She says hi to you. She says hi friends. Now she's gonna go take a nap because she's tired. So today we're going to do some learning about words. All different kinds of words. Do you want to learn about different words? You do? All right, thank you so much. Let's go learn about some new words or some words you might already know. Ready? All right, let's go. First 100 words. Baby's first words. Colors. Colored paints. Colored paints. Green pear. Green pear. Red shoes. Red shoes. Orange fish. Orange fish. Pink flower. Pink flower. Yellow duckling. Yellow duckling. Purple bicycle. Purple bicycle. Blue ball. Blue ball. White rabbit. White rabbit. Black buttons. Black buttons. Things that go. Dump truck. Dump truck. 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 Tractor. Tractor. Motorcycle. Motorcycle. Car. Car. Airplane. Airplane. Ship. Ship. Fire engine. Fire engine. Train. Train. Bath time. Wash. Wash. Boat. Boat. Brush. Brush. Potty. Potty. Bathtub. Bathtub. Towel. Towel. Duck. Duck. Bedtime. Sleep. Sleep. Lamp. Lamp. Book. Book. Mobile. Mobile. Slippers. Slippers. Pajamas. Pajamas. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. Crib. Crib. Mealtime. Eat. Eat. Bib. Bib. High chair. High chair. Fork and spoon. Fork and spoon. Bottle. Bottle. Sippy cup. Sippy cup. Drink. Drink. Food. Grapes. Grapes. Apple. Apple. Broccoli. Broccoli. Orange. Orange. Strawberry. Strawberry. Carrots. Carrots. Bananas. Bananas. Peas. Peas. Tomato. Tomato. Myself. Crawl. Crawl. Play. Play. Sit. Sit. Read. Read. Walk. Walk. cry, cry. Laugh, laugh. Outside, stroller, stroller. Tree, tree. Leaf, leaf. Butterfly, butterfly. Sky, sky. Grass, grass. Frog, frog. Flower, flower. Clothes, coat, coat. Pants, ants. Dress, dress. Boots, boots. Pajamas, pajamas. Socks, socks. Sweatshirt, sweatshirt. Hat, hat. Toys, train, train. Pencils, pencils. Rattle, rattle. Puzzle, puzzle. Stuffed animal, stuffed animal. Telephone, telephone. Ball, ball. Stacking rings, stacking rings. Car, car. Pets, dog, dog. Puppy, puppy. Parrot, parrot. Rabbit, rabbit. Kitten, kitten. Fish, fish. Turtle, turtle. Cat, cat. Guinea pig, guinea pig. Farm animals. Chick, chick. Lamb, lamb. Horse, horse. Cow, cow. Sheep, sheep. Goat, goat. Hen, hen. Ducks, ducks. Pig, pig. Wow, friends, those were a lot of words, weren't they? Did you practice them? Did you know some of them? You did? That's great because you're very smart, so you probably knew a lot of the words already. If you want to practice more words, just look at the video again. Don't forget to press the thumbs up button, the like button that has a thumbs up, and subscribe so you can see all my beautiful videos. Thanks a lot for joining me and coming to see me today. I really, really liked it. See you next time. Bye, friends.